What's going on? This is Asset Police badge number 824. Wooden Credit Scores, Deeds, LLCs, investment portfolios. Where they at? First and foremost, I want to apologize for not posting an Asset Police video in a very long time. Me and my boy, my Roddy back here, we out here about to patrol the streets, protecting and serving. You understand? Asset Police badge number 824. We here. But I want to touch on a topic that's been on my mind. And it's about staying in your lane financially. There's many times people want cars or houses that they actually overspend or look for something that they really can't afford. So, for instance, I'll give you an example. If you have, no disrespect to any Lexus owners, but if you have Lexus money, but trying to buy a Bentley or trying to buy a Rolls Royce or at the Rolls Royce dealership or Lambo dealership, but you can't afford it, or it's gonna really make your financial situations really tight, then don't do it. Don't do it. Same thing with a property. If, for instance, you want to buy a house and the property costs $2 million, $1 million, whatever it is, $500,000, and you can't afford a house that's $500,000, then why go see it? Why put yourself in that situation? Like, there's no reason for you to look at properties or buy a car that's gonna put a financial burden on yourself. Stay in your lane. Asset Police badge number 824. I'm back with the Roddy. We here. Gone.